Hello, property owners and facility and maintenance managers. Wouldn't it be nice to have a hassle-free exterior inspection process for your building or property? Or maybe deliver your projects and not worry about safety hazards or project progress delays? Right now, as you watch this video, there are millions of buildings that are still being inspected using the traditional methods, such as cranes or scaffoldings, and putting the lives of their workers in danger while wasting the time and budget on these manual inspection processes. The truth is that most maintenance and facility management companies are still not aware of the full potential of drone inspections. Inspecting a full building may take 4 to 8 weeks and costs between $12 to $25,000. This is extremely high considering the value that drones can bring to the facade inspection business. I'm Mohamed Shawky, the CEO of GeoDrones, and I can say without a doubt that drones can bring a great value to your inspection process. Last year, a friend of mine who owns an inspection company experienced a tragedy of losing one of his experienced workers during an inspection operation. At that point of time, I decided to think of an innovative solution that should save lives while reducing the inspection costs and time by half. GeoDrones has a group of qualified and certified engineers equipped with the latest drones and artificial intelligence technologies. We will provide an end-to-end inspection service starting by acquiring the government permissions, followed by executing the drone data capture using dual visual and thermal 4K camera, ending with providing a detailed inspection report of more than 30 types of facade defects labeled by the severity level, such as corrosion, cracks, or water leaks. Currently, we are working with large property developers such as A'mar and Nakhil, and you should also think seriously about working with us. So, if you decided to collaborate with us, we promise that we will provide an inspection service that will save your time and budget by at least 50% without risking the lives of your precious engineers. Schedule a meeting with us now, and we have an incredible offer just waiting for you.